what are the functions of lipids? Let's try to summarize them. The most important function of lipid, of course, is energy storage and energy yield. The best thing about lipids is you can store a ton of it. Okay, you can keep growing. Okay, you can become fat, you can become obese, you can become morbidly obese. There is no way to control you. Okay, you can keep adding how much amount of lipid you want in your body, because you know that we have adipose tissue. Adipose tissue can either hypertrophy or it can hyperplasia as well. That means it can increase the number of cells or it can increase in the size. So as you keep eating, extra energy will be all stored in the form of lipids or fat. Okay, so that means there's no limit to this. You can be a person with 70 kgs as body weight, or it can be even 300 kgs or 400 kgs. So it doesn't matter. So it's the important form of storage of energy, and it can be stored in adipose tissue as triglycerides. For a normal 70 kg adult, you can store up to 11 kgs of fat, which is a normal healthy adult having. Okay, so normal healthy adult contains around 11 kilograms of fat. I'll ask you a question now. Okay, what is the question? We all know that 1 gram of fat gives you 9 kilocalories. So 11 kgs means 11,000 grams of fat or triglycerides. How much energy can the fat give you in total? 1 gram is 9 kilocalories. So I have around 11 kilograms. In the sense, if you're a 70 kg